Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So the CoinsKid crew is absolutely killing this on XRP. Last week, when everyone was ultra bearish, like I said to you, opportunity never feels like opportunity. We buy fear, we buy blood. We buy your depression basically, and this is what we do. If you revert back, like I said to you, buy big green candles, you're going to get big red dildos. This is why at 0.82 cents, we was taking profit, and everyone was like trolling the video saying, no way, blah, 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 and all this. But it was just a technical target, and this is what we're trying to do. We're just, selling the technical targets and buying the technical targets, buying the blood, buying the fear, selling the greed, and selling the FOMO, basically. It really is that simple. So, we're riding the waves. So far, so good. So at the minute, XRP has had a beautiful reaction, hasn't it, since last week? And we're almost at that 0.54 cent mark, that sort of high that no one anticipated we'll get to, and we're looking at it as dropping to 20 cents. So we're just riding the waves. If people are really bearish, if sentiment's really bearish and everyone's calling for lower prices, then always step back and think, wow, this could be an opportunity. And then at the top, if people are really bullish and your grandma's telling you to buy crypto or whatever, or your taxi driver or your hairdresser and all that, this is where you think, hang on a minute, and you step back and you sell basically. So buy big green candles, you get big red dildos. Buy big red dildos, you potentially get big green candles. Okay, so it's all about structure and support going forward. So at the minute, no structure has been lost for XRP, although it felt like it last week. Okay, it felt like it was going to drop into the the end zone, nasty bear market territory and things like that. But respecting the charts, the data in the charts, like I said to you, data not emotion, XRP is doing okay, isn't it? So let's just kick back, relax, zoom out, and appreciate what XRP is doing right now. So providing obviously this coin here can remain healthy, which so far it's looking pretty healthy, to be honest with you. Please check out the Bitcoin video. There's massive trade potential on that particular scenario right now. Provide this looks healthy and the crypto market is looking relatively healthy, then XRP should remain looking healthy going forward. Okay, so I've got my targets, and obviously I do show you an invalidation of them targets on a daily time frame, on a daily basis in the Discord and the Twitter. I'll always show you an invalidation of any small impulse, short, long, or whatever. I always show you invalidation points, and this is usually where I do advise you to put your stop loss. So at the minute, you could be building a massive potential trade here for XRP going forward. The potential to get to that $1.31 for a minimal risk, high reward to low risk right now for XRP. So again, nothing I say is financial advice, but so far so good. If you're looking to trade XRP, if you're looking to spot whatever, all the links are on CoinsKid.com and in each and every single video description. But so far this year we've been nailing this, so longness may continue for the CoinsKid crew right now. So I see a lot of you making money. You're posting you basically your profits, you're posting screenshots and things like that in the Discord. Fantastic, big thumbs up to you. Okay, and I see people going short, I see people going long, I see people making money in this space, which is amazing. This is something I've always wanted to do, is just pass the torch on and basically educate people in this space to make money on a daily basis from all this volatility, because it's there. Okay, compression leads to expansion, bull crosses, bear crosses, whatever, there's always an opportunity. And always obviously risk management, apply stop loss, don't be a degen, don't over leverage, and enjoy the show basically. So yeah, it's a fantastic opportunity in crypto. Let's dive into the charts and see what we can see. So looking at XRP on the macro time frame, we've nailed this move up, okay? And I remember all the pessimism on these pullbacks and the bearishness on these pullbacks, just like this, the pessimism and bearishness just there. But this does qualify as an ABC correction for me. Clearly in the C wave, you got your 1, you got your 2, you got your 3, you got your 4, and you got your 5. The sort of final fifth wave down right there. You've come up into the resistance, you fell back to a high level support. So technically, you're still carving out this bottom, and you're holding this low since August, okay? So what I'm looking for a macro move here, I think we've got an amazing opportunity in front of us if you can stomach it, basically. So it's no different from this opportunity that I've shown you here. Respectfully, what we've got is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we came in for the ABC correction. I remember all the bearishness, but like I said to you, this, because of the 5 waves, we're looking at some kind of retracement coming back. It's only going to be opportunity, okay? And then we got the 5 waves again. We got the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. So at this point, I said to you, because of the 5 waves up here, this again, this opportunity coming back is only the same as this opportunity, because eventually when we take that eye out, we're up there on the golden ratio, which is a 1618 fib extension. So from this point here, my target for the remainder of the year, because of the 5 waves here, has always been the 1618 at 82 cents, which is where we double tapped it. It's not bullshit, it's not hopium, it's just simple technical analysis, okay, which is something I relay to you on a day-to-day basis. So from that low to that high, look at that, double tap the golden ratio, 1618 fib extension right there, double tapped it, see you later, come in, okay? And this is a place that you shouldn't have been buying XRP, and this is something I did relay to you numerous times. I said to you, when you take out this high, you'll see big green candles, but you're going to get big red dildos if you're buying them, okay? So this is an area to take profit, look for a swing and things like that, and so far so good, okay? So this is playing out like an absolute boss. Not bullshit, not hopium, just simple technical analysis. So right now, what we've done on the macro, okay, if you can look, really is simple. We've come up 1, 2, 3, regular flat 4, and then boom 5. So we've got some kind of leading diagonal, which is identical to what we put in 2020. Okay, it's uncanny. And what we've gone through potentially, just like in 2020 as well, is the A, the B, the C. So within the C wave, we've got the 1, the ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, boom, final flush down 5. Okay, so we actually bottomed in August, and then last week when Bitcoin capitulated, put in a massive bear trap, and a lot of coins lost them lows, XRP held it. Because is that the true bottom? Is this an impulsive move? Is this a corrective move? And right now this is another impulsive move, okay? This is absolutely possible for XRP. We can't take it off the table. So respecting the macro move here, what we've done for XRP is come up in 5 waves. So just like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this ABC coming back, this was only an opportunity respecting the 5 waves. Do you understand? It's not bullshit. It's not hopium. So we've got a bags filled on this level of resistance that we've melted through, okay? So right now we've come back in a potential A, B, C after 5 waves up, okay? So this has been an ABC correction, and right now we're coiling up looking for another move to the upside. So if it comes, I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest with you. So right now the opportunity is that all we've got to do, if you've got the stomach for it, is put your stop loss on the 0 fib, build positions with your stop loss on the 0 fib to negate this potential trade in front of us, which is a march towards these levels here. So I'm looking at these levels here as the next big macro move for XRP, okay? Now, I did a video last week, a lot of confluence stacking up at the 1414, and obviously this will be invalidated, please remember this, if we lose a 0 fib. So that is the area in which you just have your stop loss to negate this potential trade going forward, okay? So it's in front of us. It's absolutely possible. Can't take it off the table. I remember last week when everyone's getting really, really bearish, like I said to you, fear not, we've got a massive bullish divergence here as well. So in theory, we should begin to retrace into the 55, around about 0.54 mark. And so far, so good, Off that bullish divergence, like I said to you on Twitter and in the video, be patient for the daily close. Wait for the daily close. Because from here right now, boom, we're currently up around about 8% with the potential to go around about 13%. It's a massive move, okay, when people are really, really fearful. So, the CoinsKid crew, I know a lot of the CoinsKid crew have been nailing this particular moves because obviously, I'm just relaying the data, and they're doing their own charting as well. They're seeing things that I don't see, and they're posting it, which is amazing. I love that. It's fantastic that we've built this community that just helps each other. So right now, what we're looking at, providing we hold this low, there is a massive trade in front of us, okay, when people were really, really fearful, and all we're doing is not breaking any structure or support of an uptrend basically from this low in January. So it's not bullshit, it's not hopium, it's simple technical analysis. We break down, we lose this low, it invalidates this theory. This is why this is the best area to put your stop loss for this theory. So right now, if we get this move from this point right now, okay, you could be looking at a monumental move here for XRP, potentially greater than Bitcoin with your stop loss on that low. But obviously the risk to reward is a little bit greater than Bitcoin, because what we've got is a monumental move of around about 157% gain for a potential 15% loss. How does that work out from this point? If you was to buy $100 worth of XRP today, okay, how would that work out for you? Let's calculate this right now. So in theory, if we were to say we'll take $100, okay, and buy $100 worth of XRP today at this level, and we're looking at from this level, we're getting to the 1414, around about $1.31 over the next few months, which is absolutely possible right here. We're looking at 157%, aren't we? So we're going to plus 157% from this point, $100 investment. So you could be looking at, $157 return. Really a simple mathematics, isn't it? So put $100 in, get $257 out, minus fees and things like that. So right now, if we say, okay, well, let's take this risk. We're going to put $100 in, and say, for example, we're going to lose 15% for this particular scenario to play out. Okay, if you can prepare to take this risk for the reward, it really is that simple. So, okay, so we're going to lose minus 15%. So, I can tell you what, it's 85%. Don't need to be a mathematician. So minus 15% equals $85. So essentially, you could end up with $85 for $257. with this particular scenario that we're looking at. So this is basically risk management. This is trading, investing in crypto, and this is why I always show you invalidation of potential scenarios. And this is something I don't see a lot of YouTubers or analysts showing you, these particular setups. Again, if you want to do a leverage trade, it's entirely up to you. I would not advise it, obviously, because over leverage and things like that, going in for your life savings, please don't do any of that business. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and also equally don't over leverage and be a degen. I see a lot of people 100xing and 200xing and things like that. With that, the more you increase your leverage, the higher this stop loss becomes, which again, you stop loss, if it comes down below that, boom, you're going to get liquidated because you're losing high leverage. So if you're 1-to-1 ratio right there, you can, boom, you've got your loss, which is at 0.43102. That's your stop loss right now for a potential gain of 157%, taking up to the 131, which is a 1414, around about $1.31, with a possibility of overshooting as well. But again, this is just technical analysis. This is something I relay to you on a daily basis. If you want to take these risks and opportunities, you can do this. There's multiple exchanges in the links, so again, don't be an over leveraged degen, don't go with your life savings. I wish everyone the utmost luck going forward, but this is a possibility that could play out when people are really, really fearful. And obviously the invalidation, I'll remind you again, is 0.43102. Now if you was to take this opportunity, Bybit have got amazing opportunities, sign up bonuses, BitGet have, Mexi have, all the links are on CoinsKid.com and in each and every single video description. We're marching towards this 55 right now, okay? I would expect a key level resistance, so if you are in any sort of long positions, you're looking to make profit on the daily time frame, which is something I do teach as well, then that is a very strong area of resistance where I would actually look to take some profit, look for a little short op to come back down on potentially to this neckline to continually carve out this ascending triangle. Okay, so I wish everyone else luck. Thank you for your support. Get involved in all the communities. Take care, CoinsKid crew. Back to another update on XRP. Bye-bye.